I told you we'd have fun, right? When you're exercising, the best thing you can do is have fun. It's necessary, absolutely necessary you have fun. So some of these 15-minute workouts you'll see on my site and that I teach, at some point we just get a little bit silly, but we're still working out. So if you think about dancing and doing a little of this, boom, 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 maybe shimmy with your hips a little bit, right? Think about it. My heart rate is going up. If you're dancing at a wedding, you see this all the time. I know it happens to me. I'm drenched in sweat. Why is that? Not because I'm nervous, because I'm having a blast on the dance floor and I'm getting in a lot of exercise without even really trying. So during some of my 15-minute exercise routines, you'll see this. I throw dancing in there because it's fun and it keeps your heart rate up and it doesn't feel like exercise. It doesn't feel like work. It feels like what it is, fun and a good time. Keep that in mind when you guys are working out at home. Throw something fun in there. It doesn't have to be all serious stuff that you hate to do. If you hate your workout, you're more likely not going to do the workouts if you despise it. Want to make sure you keep it fun, keep it exciting, keep yourself energized, and dancing for 20 or 30 seconds or so is a great way to keep that energy at a high level.